I am here to announce that I'm officially addicted. Not in a bad way, a very good way. I'm addicted to bobbin work. I've played with it for years, but the more I do it now, the more I love it. It can be a border on a quilt, it can go on a pillowcase, it can go on your shirt. You can enhance just about any sewing project you're doing if you know the tips and tricks. And that's just what I'm going to share with you in the class. I've done so many bobbin work pieces lately that it's just crazy, but so much fun. We're going to spend about 2 hours learning my tips and tricks for playing with heavy threads that don't go in the top of your machine, and how to use them, where to use them, and so on. And then we're going to switch over, and about 3.5 or 4 hours of the class is going to be working on our darling bobbin work Beardie. So I hope you'll join me. This is Bonnie Langenfeld for Quilt Fest Virtual Schoolhouse, and it's in January. I hope you will come, have some extra sparkly threads, have some empty bobbins, and be ready to play. Bye.
This bearded collie is uh, this bearded collie we're doing today is a black and white